Welcome to Stanford's Modern Homestead, everybody. This is Brenda and Martin here today. We are going to pick up our new farm animals, and you will see soon enough who they are, but we've got a pen back here ready to go and put them in when we get them back here to the farm. And we've got a little dog kennel over here with some straw in it to put them in for the ride home.
Yeah, so come along with us as we go over to the farm and get these, like, apparently they're mystery animals.
Yep.
But you know what that is back there, right? This farm we're going to is called Jess Holden Farm. A little backstory is when I first came up here looking for land, the farmer that actually showed us the land that we have now showed us this property we're going to. And John bought the property. He ended up buying the property and putting a house on it. But would have loved to have purchased the farm. Didn't have a house on it. It has 100 acres and it's got a stream that's kind of running through the middle of it, so about 60 acres up on the roadside, and then the rest of it's wooded back there, and it's got a little hidey hole field that they plant. They used to plant soybeans and what have you on it, but now I think John uses it as a well, I think he's actually still planting on it, but it still attracts the deer. So it's a great place. Really love what they've done with it. It's got a really nice house on it. So we'll be pulling in here pretty soon. What's your recommendation on, like, what do you think would be the best? When you look at these pigs, do you see, like, better ones that would be big?
Not really.
No.
Not in these. They're going to take after their mother. With mother in the father. That's great.
Well, I would imagine you want this little brown one right here, right, Brian? There's only one brown one?
Of these. So they didn't. We didn't figure it out until after the fact. So when a pig is born and it picks its booby, that's its booby. Period. They don't change. Yeah. She was so big that she could never lay right in the crate to expose them all. And we actually lost 5 of those before really figuring it out. But 4 did great, and I've got 5 off to themselves that are about a third smaller.
Are these the ones you put on Facebook the other day?
Yeah, these were just born. Yes, they can be.
Wow.
And they can be. And they can be.
Now these all Durocs here.
Yeah, it's some Duroc.
Check out these pigs here. Look how big they are.
So we just picked up our little piglets. We have two. One is brown and the other one is white, and we don't have names for them yet, but they will have names. So we're on our way back home to the homestead with our new babies, and hopefully they're having a good ride back there in the straw, the dog kennel. But they're cute as they can be. White one is Landrace and Duroc mix, and the brown one is Berkshire and Duroc.
Here they are.
This is your new house. Your new home. Yeah. Your new home. What do you think? Can you get out? We'll let him out.